Okay, so here we are with our slide. We got it all scrubbed up. It's been sitting all day with break free, and then we scrubbed everything loose. Now we're going to get in here with some of our smaller utensils, or my Q-tips, a few patches, and my screwdriver. Be about all we need. And I'm actually going to start this process with a Q-tip, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this slide over, and I'm going to start at the front rail, and I'm just going to rub my Q-tip along that rail, the full length. And I'm just going to work my way all the way back. And I'm going to do the same thing back again. And I usually do that 2 or 3 times. That helps me get the buildup and the dirt and that extra break free out of there. And I'm just going to flip it over and I'm going to do the same thing now. This is just going to help us have a little bit smoother action when we go to slide that frame. Alright, and you can see that we pulled out a pretty good amount of dirt. So what I'm actually going to do is take another Q-tip. I'm just going to do another once over and see what I can't get. Alright, and you can see how clean that's actually coming out. And I'm going to repeat it over here. Oh yeah, we're coming out real clean now. Good. So actually, since this Q-tip's clean, I'm just going to reuse it, and I'm going to wipe it inside here in the barrel. Catch. Swab that around on the inside here. And up here, I'm not needing to use my patch necessarily because I don't have real tight corners to get in with the patch yet.